Hello friends, welcome to Aashiq Rayaan Sweet Home channel.
Today we are going to prepare Kadai Paneer. Let's start. What's the ingredient we want? Here I am taking 100 grams of paneer. I cut paneer as cubes and fry on a tawa. I added half tablespoon of oil on a tawa and frying paneer now. This is the paneer which I fried. Here I am taking one medium sized tomato and cut into the pieces. Here I am taking 2 large onions, it cut roughly. Here I am taking Kashmiri red chilli powder 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste. Here I taken 1 bell pepper, half onion and cut into cube shapes. Here I am taking some spices, cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon, cinnamon 2 inch, cardamom 2, kasuri methi 1 teaspoon, bay leaf 1, black pepper 1 teaspoon. Here I am taking almost 10, fresh cream 2 tablespoons and garam masala 1 tablespoon. Let's start our cooking session. First we want to switch on the flame. I am adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. It's heated now. I am going to fry bell pepper. I am frying it until raw smell goes off. Adding half onion which I cut it. Now I am going to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. I am putting it aside to add this bell pepper and onions with the paneer. Let's start our gravy preparation. I am adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I am frying cumin seeds, cardamom and pepper. I am frying it for 1 minute. Now I am adding cut onions. I am frying it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am adding salt. After onion half cooked, add ginger and garlic paste. I am frying it until the raw smell goes off. After that I am adding tomatoes. Frying it until it gets into a smooth texture. We want to leave it for 10 minutes to cool it. I am taking this mixture into my grinder jar. I grind it as a smooth paste. Now you can see. Also I grind badam too. Now I am switching on my stove, adding 2 tablespoons of oil and frying bay leaf and cinnamon. Now I am adding red chilli powder and mixing it well. Now I am adding blended paste which I kept aside. Now we want to mix it. I am putting my flame into low until the oil is squeezed out. We can see now oil is squeezing. Now I am adding coriander powder and garam masala powder. I am putting my stove flame into low and leaving for 5 minutes. Now I am adding fresh cream or you can use beaten curd also. Add dry fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi and mix it well. Finally we are adding paneer, bell pepper and onions. After adding paneer, I am cooking in a low flame for 5 minutes. And finally I am adding coriander leaves. paneer kadai is ready. We can serve this kadai paneer with roti, idli, dosa, parota, chapati as you like. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.